have been disturbing Ezenwa to show me the house he grew up in Aba. And since we were around, we decided to go and look for it. But it has been a long time, and we had to look well before we found the street, Digema Road. And once we got the right road, we only had to find the house, a downstairs apartment.
No, I mean apartment.
Yeah, it's downstairs.
Okay.
And then we saw it. Ezenwa was back in his old neighborhood, in front of the house he grew up in. Of course, we wanted to come down and take some pictures. And then we even met an old neighbor.
Old road. From go and join now. Let me snap it.
And some people recognized Manyacha. And so the story continues with the next generation.